Today we are going to discuss how to develop test case for the project using white box testing. Before we write the test case for our project, we should know what is exactly a test case. A test case is a specification of the inputs, execution conditions, testing procedure and expected results that define a single test to be executed to achieve a particular software testing approach. In our project, we are using white box testing method to create the test cases and execute it because white box testing checks the internal functioning of the system. It is mainly applicable to lower level of testing, that is unit testing and integration testing. To create the test case, we need to write a test case table. In this test case table, total 7 columns are there. The first column is test case ID. Here we have to assign the unique ID for each test case. Then we have to give the particular name for that test case. Then here third column, we need to write the description about that test case. The fourth column is steps to be carried out by the tester. Here we have to mention the number of steps that the tester should follow. The next column is expected results. Expected results as per the guidelines of the client or user. The actual results after executing that test case, the actual result is that. And the remark, last column is remark, whether that actual result is exactly equal to expected result, then test case is passed, else test case is failed. We will discuss one example here. This is a project of privacy preserving multi-keyword top case search method. Okay, so in this project I have written here 2 test cases. So here I have given a name, a test case ID TC01. The test case name is a process dataset. The third column is test case description. So here we have to write the description about that test case. So here in this test case, document pre-processing is done. Okay, the next step is steps to be carried out. Here we need to mention the number of steps the tester should follow. The data owner uploads the number of documents to the server. Okay, then next column is expected result. This is the expected result as per the guidelines of the client or that mentioned in the SRS. So here first secret key generated in the form of 1 and 0, that is in binary form. Then turn frequency and inverse document frequency values are calculated and document is encrypted. Then actual result after executing this test case. This is the actual result after executing this test case. If that actual result is as per the expected result, then test case is passed, else test case is failed. Now see the second test case. Here I have assigned a test case ID TC02. Its name is trapdoor generation. Then its description is data owner builds query vector which is generated using matrix multiplication with the secret key. In the first test case, the secret key is generated. Here we are using that secret key to generate the query vector. Okay, then what are the steps to be carried out here? See, data user sends query request to data owner. Data owner builds query vector in encrypted form and send that query vector to the data user. Okay, so these are the steps that the tester should follow. Then expected result. Here expected result is encrypted query vector is generated. Okay, then actual result after executing this test case, encrypted query vector is not generated. Okay, so that means the actual result is not as per the expected results. That's why the test case is failed. Okay, so in this way we have to write the different test cases for our project like that. Thank you.